this video we're on chapter 8, and we are going to go over 5, 6, and 7. Again, I'm not going to give you every single answer, but I'm going to go over kind of how to do each problem. So number 5, which fraction is a multiple of 1/9? Mark all that apply. Okay. Remember, we've been talking about this all year. Mark all that apply means it could be just one of these answers, it could be two, it could be all of them. If it's a correct answer, mark it. Okay, no matter how many there are, if it's correct, mark it. So, multiple of 1/9, when we say multiples, it means we're counting by them. For example, if we're finding the multiples of 5, it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. We're counting by 5s. So in this case, we're just counting by 1/9. Well, 1/9, 2/9, 3/9. What would be next? Yeah, 4/9. And you can keep going. Well, when do you stop? Well, you can go as long as you want. Now, let's look at these possible answers. We have 3/9, 4/9, 9/12, 9/10, 2/9, 9/9. Well, automatically, if I look at my multiples that I have so far, I see the pattern. 9, 9, 9, 9. My denominator is always going to be 9. So I automatically know that it can't be these two, which is nice. And now I just got to keep doing my multiples and see if I see those down here. So for example, 3/9. Oh, there's 3/9. So yeah, that would be 1. What about 9/9? Well, I don't see it, but could I go further here? Yeah, absolutely. Keep going. Maybe you'll end up with 9/9. And so on and so forth. I'll let you solve the other ones and see if these other three should be shaded in as well. Alright, number 6. Mimi recorded a soccer game that lasted 1 2/3 hours long. She watched it 3 times over the weekend to study the plays. So she watched 1 2/3 hours, and she did that 3 times. So there's 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Right? And then the question, how many hours did Mimi spend watching the soccer game? Show your work. Well, we could do it 2 ways. We could add these up, or the quicker way, and we know from this word right here, times, we can do multiplication. Okay? And again, multiplication, all that is repeated addition. Okay? So you can do the addition here if you'd like. I'm going to go over the way to do it with multiplication. 3 times 1 2/3 equals, now before I do this, I want to change this mixed number into an improper fraction. And again, there's more than one way to do that. For this example, I'm going to use the times plus method. So 1 times 3 is 3, plus 2 is 5/3. So 1 2/3 is the same thing as 5/3, so I'm going to do 3 times 5/3, and we can rewrite that 3 as 3 over 1. 3 times 5 is 15. 1 times 3 is 3. I have an improper fraction, so I divide the denominator into the numerator. 3 goes into 15. If I count by 3s, let's see, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So there were 5. I had to count by 3s 5 times. So what does that 5 represent? Well, let's go back to our question. How many hours did Mimi spend watching the soccer game? 5 hours. But again, you could also do it using addition, which all multiplication is repeated addition. Alright, let's look at number 7. Theo is comparing shark lengths. He learned that a horned shark is 2 3/4 long. A blue shark is 4 times as long, and remember that word times tells us, yeah, that we are going to be timesing. Complete the model, then find the length of the shark, so of the blue shark. So there's 2 parts. Complete the model. Well, if the horned shark is 2 3/4 and I have 4 blanks 4 times, the blue shark is going to be the same as the horn shark, 2 3/4, but 2 3/4 4 times. And then the blue shark is how many feet long? Well, to do that, you're going to have to work it just like you worked number 6. You're either going to have to do repeated addition of these 4 numbers, or you can do 4 times 2 3/4. If you don't remember the steps for that, again, rewind the video, go back and watch how I worked to number 6. It's the same strategies, the same process that you used in number 6 in order to answer the final part of number 7. Alright, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.